Hello guys, yes we are here. We back here at Monday. So let's quickly go over what happened and then we're gonna execute. We have the all-time highs here on the micro, of course on the NASDAQ we already took it, on the ES we took it, also on the June contract on the ES we also took it. So yeah, we're on all-time highs again and I'm not calling the top. I still expect to be bullish. Yeah, something happened in Iran, so I don't know exactly what happened, but it was about that Strait of Hormuz again. I think Iran shot at boats and stuff, and I don't know what happened. So that causes the market maybe for them to say, okay, we're going to open up lower and maybe put some fear on people for holding higher. Because if you're going to open up large lower, people are going to be afraid. Eventually, just overnight, you had kind of like a consolidation right here. S&T here in the new recovery gap, and eventually we went above the midpoint here, and we are now here. And in 1 minute we're gonna open up. So today's a Monday, no news today. We don't have much news this week. I think tomorrow is the most news it's gonna have. No news Mondays. I always try to like trade in macros, so that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, I'm still bullish. So yeah, we went above the CE. We're now looking for all-time highs for the closure of the RTH, and eventually the all-time highs and the new week opening gap highs also a target. So let's quickly go over here. Okay, so we have the 930 is gonna open right here. We have minus sell side, minus buy side. I marked out this inversion gap. What you want to see is if I'm gonna anticipate in a long, in a macro and the macro, I want to see it go and take some sort of sell side because pre-session hasn't taken much sell side, right? We opened up here in pre-session. We took down this lows here in the 50-minute gap and went higher and higher and higher. So in pre-session, we took some sell side and I just went higher, not taking any sell side. Here a little stop in right here. So what I want to see is, yeah, we're now taking the minor buy side. C is already hit. I want to see it go trade back inside of the range, go in this inversion, and then go long. That was kind of my plan that I made. So I'm looking for that. So yeah, then if we go towards this inversion, we also take down this low on the RTH regular trading hours. I know that we have this sell side here as well. The previous RTH is still open. A good portion of it is, but I don't require it. So let's say we are gonna trade here and I see bullishness, I'm gonna take it. And if I'm seeing, okay, this gets reclaimed and not used as an inversion, we may want to go and take it up to here. And yeah, that's then the plan. Then we need to wait, but I prefer longs today. So yes, ES is here. We see that we also opened up right there, of course, and we have the new opening gap high here. All-time highs here. And RTH is also here. We haven't traded down to a CE, and we did. If you go below here, we have this sell side. If you go below there, we have this sell side, and we may want to go and trade to CE, making a new low day. But I don't expect that because I'm still bullish, right? I don't have reasons enough to now say we are gonna go towards the CE of the RTH of previous day. Okay, so let's look at the dollar. Dollar is displacing lower, as you see right now. And yeah, we're now trading lower. We have the old new day opening gap here. Let's see if we can go below that. Also have one here, so probably mark that as well. If we can go below that and then use those levels to go lower, that will be good. Some sell side right there. So this was the TGIF of previous week. We see that we opened and we couldn't get there, but I don't require that. I don't require TGIF. Okay, we tap the inversion. We tap the inversion. Now we're gonna see how we react here. So I'm not gonna go long on this inversion. I'm gonna wait and see how we react. Right now we have a wick. Touch the high. Took the high right here. We have CE here of this wick. Mark that one here. So I'm gonna buy one here and put my stop on the bolo. This is enough for me. We saw dollar going lower. I still want to see dollar go lower. Yes, and then we still have targets above us. Now I'm gonna see, can we go above here? Now I'm gonna see, can we use the RTH low, the first presented. So let's quickly look at ES. What is ES doing? We see dollar of that new day opening gap that I said, told you about. We just went a little bit high, but now I again want to see it go lower. This ES, so this is the first presented. We inverse that one as well. You see here is the S&T. Here. S&P. We have the new opening gap high, RTH high. We just trade through the CE, so that's good. And we're now gonna see, can we go close it here? And that's where I'm kind of aiming for on ES. And if that's hit on ES, we see why I'm just still in a consolidation. I'm not gonna go break even yet. I think this is reasonable. We could just do this, have a retrace. But for now, I'm not gonna go break even. Could also mark this inversion, but then it gets a little bit busy on the chart. See if we can avoid this here. So yeah, also why I should let my stop here is because of this. We have a new 4-hour candle. So what we could happen is like a power free, right? Every candle has like a wick on the downside. So like here, it could just open. So just before we close on the 4-hour, we just had a retracement open. It could go trade. We have the CE here that could be traded, and we didn't even touch that, and then go higher again. 1 hour here, we could have like a rebalance right here on the 1 hour. So yeah, we now have that rebalance. We now have that CE of this wick, but it's fine. Like it's a new 4-hour candle, right? So I allow it to trade out to like a PD array. We have this wick. I just removed it. We have this order block on side of this, so I'm marking this order block. Okay, so how do I feel right now? Do I feel like anxious right now? Do I want to close the trade? I still feel okay, despite the fact that we have like this of a retracement. If you are in a trade and you see like large candles going down and you're in a long, that's something you don't want to see, and the emotions maybe are there. I feel like I'm fine. I think I'm okay with the stop, but I maybe feel like a little bit disappointed if this is a loss, but I feel okay. But I think I'm feeling fine. I feel like a little bit of like a little bit okay, I could go out right here and just remove the trade. But I'm gonna give it one last chance here. I don't really have a particular rule for high resistance. I like have a rule, okay, let your stop stay or you're gonna go out. It's one of the two. It's like how confident are you? And right here, it may be greed because like this price doesn't show me that is high probability, right? This is not good. So why not just go out, right? That I had like we are in a drawdown for a long time here. And I felt it, man. I'm still feeling like, okay, should I go break even or not? And I can't really make up my mind of do I really want to do it. I'm going to go break even. Yeah, so I'm out break even. We lost $7. We in like high resistance win right here. The emotions were going up and down. I think then it's just the best to say, okay, I'm going to go out of the trade and I'm just going to wait for a little bit more. Okay, so it's now after the fact. After the AM was completed, the lunch started, and now the PM session high resistance. I'm not trading this. Okay, so what happened? Today I was simply wrong. We had the TGIF, of course, below us, and the RTH was still open of previous day Friday. So here we went to the CE. That's fine. I had it in mind, of course, that we could trade to CE and maybe the RTH sell side. So yeah, if I was wrong, there was a draw, and we went there. Yeah, I was simply wrong on the AM. It was like high resistance. It was a difficult day. We on all-time highs, and but yeah, that's always difficult because we have levels above us, because yeah, we're still bullish on all-time high, but we also have some levels below us with like DJF not traded down to previous week and RTH. So yeah, that made it difficult today. But yeah, we took a break even. I'm happy that I went break even, that I eventually did that. Otherwise, this would have been a stop out. I don't think this was a bolo, so I think I need to rewatch the video again. And also, this was not first presented. I know IST said it this stream. I haven't watched it, so yeah, that will be it for today. And then yeah, till tomorrow.